Alright guys, we're out here working on the trailer again, and today we're making a new floor and some sides for this thing. So this is going to be a shitload of work, but luckily I've got Adam here to help me, so you're going to see him all over this video. Come on Adam, cheer up.
Go.
So we just took some wood over to Adam's work and we cut it up on his table saw. Now we've got some 2x8s and a 2x6 that we're going to make the floor out of and some plywood for the walls. We're going to make sure everything fits and then get it all situated in place. So cut to time lapse of us removing this old rotted wood and putting the new stuff on. So it's day 3 of working on the trailer here, and we've got a lot done already, but we've still got a ton to do today. Today we've got to drill the bolt holes in the wood, and then take the wood off of the trailer and go seal it up with some spray sealant, and then paint it black so it doesn't rust. After we paint the trailer, we can slap all the wood back on and bolt it up for the final time. So since we've got so much to do today and not a lot of time to do it, I'm going to get right into it. Hopefully this all works out as planned, but if not, you guys will still be here to see it. Now we're gonna waterproof this wood. We got some water resistant coating from Home Depot for like 10 bucks in a giant jug, and it's meant to be wiped or sprayed over wood to waterproof it and keep it safe from the elements. So I plan to wipe down all the wood because that's the preferred method, but especially with this plywood, the rag was catching too much, so I just decided to put it in a spray bottle and spray it down, then wipe it. We're gonna give these boards a little while to dry, and while we do that, we're gonna try and paint the trailer despite this little bit of wind we have. So we let the wood dry for a couple hours and now we're ready to throw it on the trailers. I've been super stoked to get this thing fully assembled ever since we got it so that we can start trying to use it to make some money or maybe even sell it to flip it for some money. So I'm all excited. I'm gonna get this thing slammed together real quick and I'll put it on time lapse for you guys. The trailer is just about done. We got all the wood bolted down on it. We've got the braces on the front to hold the front panel on there. So now all that we got to do is throw the tailgate on this thing and then make some basic fenders because these wheels are not going to be legal. So I'm waiting for somebody to give me a hand with the tailgate because the hinge is still on there, but the door was just cut off. So we're going to weld it back on, hopefully. As far as the fenders go, I might be able to do that later tonight, but I'm out of time right now. Don't worry, I'll definitely film the fenders for you guys so you can see how to do them if you're doing it yourself. The last thing we've got to do for the trailer is reattach the tailgate that we got with it. To do that, we're just going to clean up the bottoms of it and weld it back on. Should be real quick. Alright guys, we got the tailgate done and I'm stoked on it. It's a little bit flimsier than I would have liked, so we're going to have to add some bracing before we try and roll any motorcycles or anything up it like a ramp. But right now, it supports my weight, so I'm pretty happy with it. Right now, we're getting this trailer on the road for the first time since it came down from Northern California, and I'm stoked on it. This is our 4th of July doggo. He clearly loves his costume.